One of the most unusual viewpoints in Mumbai isn't a natural landscape or a historical monument. It's a terrace offering an incredible view, a laundry facility as large as 20,000 square meters. While modern life flows through towering skyscrapers just behind us, a few steps away we enter the Dhobi Ghat. It has multiple entrances, and at times people have prevented us from entering, asking for a fee for admission and a guide tour. As soon as we step in, the surroundings change. We enter a maze, narrow hallways that sometimes only fit a single person. The repetitive pathways, perhaps repetitive only in our eyes. Welcome to the world's largest open-air laundry, famous as Dhobi Ghat. Everywhere you look, you see water-filled basins, foam and wet clothes. These concrete basins indicate that this place was specifically designed for laundry. There are also many washing machines and spin dryers here. The locals aren't surprised to see us. Tourists have known Dhobi Ghat as one of Mumbai's attractions for years. People here are busy at work, some in the basins, others with machines, and some at ironing tables. Most of the customers of Dhobi Ghat are hospitals, hotels, and second-hand clothing vendors. Dhobi Ghat isn't just a workplace, it's a living, breathing community in the heart of Mumbai. More than 7,000 people work here, putting in 20-hour workdays, hard, grueling labor. Many of these workers have inherited this job from their ancestors. A lot of workers live right here in small rooms within the facility. Yes, sometimes life doesn't offer many choices. This place was founded nearly 140 years ago to wash the clothes of the British and Parsis who had migrated to Mumbai. The process begins by soaking clothes in these basins filled with water and soap, then pounding them on large stones to remove the dirt, and finally drying them in the open air. Over time, washing machines and spin dryers have been added to the process, but there are still clients who prefer their clothes washed the traditional way, by hand, as it causes less damage to the fabric. I think about the children of Dhobi Ghat, those who spend their childhood here, perhaps deprived of education, deprived of direct sunlight. I think about the sky they see every day, blue and white. White from the sheets and blue from the jeans.